Good morning, students. It's me, Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with computer science. Everyone open page number 109, 109. Okay. Today we are going to do the book back exercise of chapter 8. Okay. Okay. First, choose the correct option. Which command is used to copy an image into computer memory? Get, option A, get command. Okay. Second one, the command put x comma y comma image will put the image on the screen with its dash at x comma y, point x comma y. The answer is option D, lower left corner. What? Lower left corner. I hope everyone have gone through the YouTube videos, right? Okay, good students. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, adding dash at the end of the line command has the effect of making box filled with color. Since it is box filled, the answer is BF. Okay. Okay, second one. In the command for count is equal to 1 to 50 step 5, the value that the variable count taken is what? 1 to 50 steps in the count of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on to 50. So a 3 dash they have given. So 5, 10, 15. Answer is 5, 10, 15. Okay. Okay. Next page. Third one. To erase a previously drawn line, the line is redrawn using dash color. The answer is background. See, here the answers are not clear. So I will show you in the paper. You see that and write. Okay. Okay. For third one, the answer is background. BACKGROUND, background. Okay. Okay. Next. The dash and dash command allow high speed animation effect. The answer is get and put. The answer for fourth one is get and put. GET and PUT. Okay. Okay. Next one. An array can be defined using dash command. The answer is dim. DIM. The answer is dim. DIM. Answer for fifth question. That's all. Now we'll see true or false. State whether true or false. First one. The more number of pixels in the monitor, the finer will be the graphic you draw. The answer is true. Second one. In animating a picture on the screen, the picture is repeatedly erased and drawn a small distance away from the earlier picture. The answer is true. You don't write T and all here, write TRUE. TRUE. Okay, okay. Third one, there is no difference between the commands for count is equal to 1 to 100 step 1 and for count is equal to 1 to 100. The answer is true. TRUE, true. Fourth one, simple animation can be done without using the get and put commands. True. Fifth one, if an image is put on top of an existing image, the earlier image gets erased. True. Okay, that's all. True or false is over. Now we are going to see question and answer. Only two questions are there in this chapter. Okay. First write the page number alone. Then we will see the answers. For fourth one, the page number is page number 107. 107. For fifth one, it is page number 106, 107. 106, 107. Okay. Now, what does array mean in the context of graphics programming? Okay, everyone open page number 107. In the page number 107, see the second paragraph. Okay. From second line, second paragraph, second line. An array is any arrangement of objects in rows and columns. Array means an arrangement of any object in rows and columns. Okay. In this case, it is the arrangement of pixel. In this chapter, we dealt about pixels only, right? Okay. In this case, it is of pixels. So pixels are how the pixels is arranged in this computer. I told you now. In rows and columns only. Many pixels will be there in the computer. I told you, right? Okay. In rows and columns only. So that is an array. Pixel is an array in this chapter. Okay. An array can therefore be thought of as a space where an image can be made. In the picture only an image is displayed, right? So what is this array? An array can be thought as a space. It is a space, free space where the picture can be made. That's it. That is an array. It is a space where picture can be made. Okay, that is an array. Okay, so from an array till made is the answer. Once again, I'll read, you listen. An array is any arrangement of objects in rows and columns. In this case, it is the arrangement of pixels. An array can therefore be thought of as a space where an image can be made. Okay, that's all. We'll go for the next question. Question number 5. What are the basic functions of get and put commands? Open the page number 106 and 107. First open 106. In page number 106, last paragraph under the heading complex animation, get and put commands. Second line you see, there are two QBasic commands that allow you to do high speed animation, get and put. Okay, these two allows you to do high speed animation. In the next page, the first paragraph fully, from page number 106, last paragraph, second line, till the next page, first para end. The method consists of first making an image using pset, line, circle and paint command. We know by these things only we will be making an animation or an object, okay, or an image. The image is then copied into computer memory by using the get command. It is copied into the computer memory using what command? Get command. Get command is used to copy to the computer. You can then place this copy anywhere on the screen using put command. Once it is copied, you can put somewhere in the computer, anywhere in the computer. That's all. That is the difference between get and put command. Okay. Okay. If you have gone through that online videos, YouTube videos, you could have understood very clearly. No issues. Just go through this, students. That's all. That's all, students. This unit book back is over, and make sure you're writing it neatly. That is so important. Only then you can understand clearly. And then what is your work to do is take a picture of the book back what you have written, post it in the group. Okay, don't be a homework default. Okay, students, that's all, students. Take care, have a nice day, bye. And homework is nothing but read the book back of chapter 8. That is so important. Homework. What is the homework? Read the book back of chapter 8. Okay, students, take care, have a nice day, bye.